In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and install Hermes Agent and also use it completely free every single day with free API keys. And what we're going to do is we're going to download the Hermes desktop application. You can do this through hermes.agent.newsresearch.com. So go ahead and download the desktop application. It looks a bit like that. So make sure to do the installation. After you do that, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect cloud providers completely for free. You get around 50 to 1,000 free requests every single day. And this is pretty amazing because these are on cloud. They don't run on your computer. So you can run very powerful models completely for free with Hermes Agent. So first of all, install the application, make sure to log in, and then you want to go into OpenRouter. OpenRouter is an aggregator of API providers, and every single time they've got new free models for you to use completely for free. So make sure to create an account on OpenRouter, and you want to go on your profile. So click on the top right corner, profile, and then you want to go into API keys, new key, create your key, and copy it. So OpenRouter offers you 50 requests per day completely for free. But if you have purchased tokens, which I have done in the past, you get 1,000 requests per day, which is amazing because you are a paid user, you are getting more free requests. All users are limited to 20 requests per minute. So that's a limitation. But given the fact that you can run great models completely for free, we take it. Okay, in the very near future, I'm also going to make a Hermes tutorial on how to run local models, and it's going to be amazing. You are going to love it. But for now, these models are a lot more powerful than most people can run locally on their system because they can scale to hundreds of gigabytes of RAM. So after you created your API key, you want to go into you want to go into the Hermes agent. You want to click here on Open Settings. And before I tell you the final step, I want to let you know that I got a very cheap AI course down below in the description. It's hosted on Udemy. You can pay $15 one-time fee and you get 50 hours of AI tutorials. Every single week, I update the course with new material. It's lovely. It's amazing. You will learn everything about leveraging AI. And yeah, you support the channel by buying the course and you will learn a ton of stuff. So after you open up the settings, you want to navigate to providers. You want to click API keys, open router, and paste your API key. Here, it automatically gets saved and you are good to go. Now open up a new chat window and click on the model selector down here on the chat. You see I have connected Minimax and now we see OpenRouter. Scroll down a little bit and you are going to find free models. Right now, Laguna M1 is free. We see Nemotron 3 Super also is free, and we see also Nemotron 3 Ultra is free, and you can set this setting of thinking as well. You can have thinking on or thinking off. You can also refresh models just in case they put up something new. So let's say that we want to test out Laguna, make a website for Hermes agent plus OpenRouter free API keys. Use HTML, CSS, JS. Let's send the request and let's see if we've done the connection correctly. So we can see here the thinking patterns and it begins working. It opens up the Hermes agent skills and it starts doing our requests. So that's pretty incredible and pretty powerful. So we're going to let it run. So this is an amazing way for you guys to use Hermes agent if you're on a budget. And let me show you exactly how you can search free models on OpenRouter. So you search free and you can find a lot of different models to use. And Hermes agent returned provider failed. That's, well, super interesting. We could go ahead here and change, for example, the model. So for some reason, there was an issue. Let's click continue with Nemotron 3 Super 120 billion alpha, 20 billion active. So these are the models that we see here on the list that are available to us. Here we can see the exact context window that is being used. We can see that there are a lot of tool definitions. So what I would highly suggest that you do while using these kind of free models, because they're not very powerful and you get free usage, they're usually quantized, a little bit dumbed down. What I would highly suggest that you do is that you go on capabilities and you make sure that skills, tools, and MCPs are minimized according to what you want to do. You don't want to give it all of the tools. You just want to give it exactly what you want, because if you give give it more tools, it's gonna make it a lot harder for the model. It's going to eat up a lot more tokens for the context. Like you can see here how many credits we use for just tools, skills, and sub agents definitions. This is totally okay if you use a paid, very good model, but for this kind of free models, because it's subsidized free usage for you, you want to minimize that to only the relative tasks you need at each time. All right. So just make sure to dump down capabilities because by default, Hermes Agent has just so many skills and so many things that is going to complicate the usage of small, more silly models. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you minimize it because most of these are not relative to your use cases. Okay. So just make sure to close everything that is not relative to the task at hand. And boom, we probably have some kind of solution here. So I'm not an expert in Hermes Agent, to be honest with you. So this is the file we want. Let's reveal it on the Explorer and let's open it up. So boom, Hermes Agent plus OpenRouter, connect to OpenRouter. This is the chat interface, blah, blah, blah. It made like a website. And of course, you can see that this is not super amazing because the model is not the most powerful. But for simple chat usage, it's completely fine to use this kind of models. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Nemotron Ultra, make the website like a landing page, educational, about pros, cons of that. So I'm going to use a different model now, slightly more powerful to see if it is able to change the website, make it look better. This also demonstrates how different powerful models work on OpenRouter. You can also click to edit all of the models. So for example, you can disable loads of models that are not really useful. For example, these are paid options. So you might want to, close them down. And yeah, you can now see only the free models here, which is a lot more useful during model selection. And we can see that the model is actually thinking. So even though it's free, it's still doing a lot of usage. So if you're on a budget and you just want to experiment with Hermes Agent, I would highly suggest that you go through this route, through OpenRouter, and use this kind of free models just to learn the tool, see if it works for you, see what you need, what you don't need. And yeah, I think that's pretty amazing. One of the great things about OpenRouter is that if you go into your profile activity, you can actually see exactly how requests route. Specifically, what I like to see is the logs. So I can see how many times each model is used, what kind of input tokens are used, make sure that everything is free. And one suggestion for safety, when you create a new key, make sure to put a limit. So put a $0.01 limit, make sure to have a daily limit and set expiration for your keys. So make sure, just to rotate your keys. If you feel a key is compromised, go ahead, click here, delete. Just make sure it doesn't eat up your money if you ever, want to load up credits. All right. So that's a little bit of a hack just to be on the safe side of things.